Let's take a look at the biggest news stories from India and around the world. A major update has emerged in the Ayodhya Ram Mandir donation theft controversy. The final report of the SIT, constituted by the Yogi government, has given a clean chit to former Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust General Secretary Champat Rai and former member Anil Mishra. The report names 8 accused who had already been arrested by police. Following the clean chit, the political battle has intensified, with the Samajwadi Party questioning the findings, while the BJP says action will be taken against anyone found guilty. In a major development from Jharkhand, the Hemant Soren government has accepted a key demand of protesting students. The government has decided to cancel the 2024 JSSCCGL examination. All competitive examinations conducted in the state by the TDPL agency have also been cancelled. The decision was taken after a special cabinet meeting chaired by Mukhyamantri Hemant Soren, which lasted around 4.5 hours. Students welcomed the decision but are now demanding a CBI investigation into the entire matter. US President Donald Trump has cited India's election system while renewing his demand for stricter voter identification rules in the United States. Trump urged Congress to pass the Save America Act and argued that voter identification measures are already part of India's electoral system. He also referred to an interaction involving India's Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar, who had reportedly raised the issue of mandatory photo ID requirements with the US administration. Trump is now presenting India's election system as an example in the American debate over voter ID. The political controversy over Vande Mataram has intensified once again. The BJP has targeted Congress over an event in Goa, where the opening 2 stanzas of the national song was sung. The BJP accused Congress of repeatedly disrespecting Vande Mataram. Congress and other opposition parties, however, accused the BJP of unnecessarily politicizing the issue. The Goa incident has now added another dimension to the ongoing political debate surrounding Vande Mataram. And finally, a tragic road accident in Bhind, Madhya Pradesh, has claimed the lives of 8 people. A pickup vehicle and a dumper collided head-on NH 719. The victims were reportedly workers from Lakhimpur Kheri who were returning home after completing paddy plantation work. Around 23 people were injured in the accident. Rescue and relief operations were launched after the incident. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Mohan Yadav expressed grief, while the Yogi government announced financial assistance of 2 lakh rupees each for the families of those who died.